Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I make those delicious ground beef casserole. Without further ado, let's get started. And these are the ingredients that I will be using: ground beef, salt, pepper flake, rosemary, complete seasoning, homemade seasoning, garlic, onion, diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, cheese, and egg noodles. To get started, I'm just going to add some lime juice on the meat. Then add the meat on a skillet on a medium low. Now I'm adding all the seasoning that I mentioned earlier. If you are enjoying today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. While the meat is cooking and reduce some of the extra fat, I'm gonna go ahead and chop the garlic and onion. You can go ahead, remove the meat, or you can just set it aside. I'm just going to add the onion and the garlic, saute it until lightly golden brown. The water came to a boil for the pasta. Cook those according to the package direction, but you can just cook them until they are just started to get tender. Remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I used for today's recipe. Then last thing, I'm just going to combine everything together. Make sure you taste as you go along the way. Alright, we are ready to bake. 350 degrees for 15 minutes to bake. And there you have it, your delicious ground beef casserole. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. You mean the world to me. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibe.